you talk to Mama? You say good morning? Yeah. Good morning. I love you, Austin. I love you. You good boy. Bless you. Bless you.